Hi, this is Laurel at Tara Farm and Nursery, the Refuge Permaculture Center. I'm out modifying and repairing and cleaning some things up in the nursery, getting ready for irrigation water. And I just noticed something. In a lot of my classes, I talk about promoting birds in your food forest or in your hedges. Here's a blackbird. This is a red-winged blackbird. Not a starling, that's a red-winged blackbird. In the buffalo berry bushes at the back of the nursery. And you can probably see the nest. I don't want to scare her too far off. But there's the nest. And then as I move down this hedge of buffalo berry, it's buffalo berry and fragrant sumac. And as I move down it to this tree, here's another nest. And this one is a robin. He's not around at the moment. And then, so here's the nursery I'm cleaning up and pulling weeds. And as I come over toward the cabin again, I've had to block the window from the living room to give them some privacy. Forgive the geese, they're just noisy bastards. But here is another little nest, and this is also a robin, right in here. Again in the buffalo berries. And 5 years ago, I did not have this many birds, and I did not have any red-winged blackbirds. And now they're moving closer to the house too, because the trees and bushes are getting to a height, and there's water and food nearby. And they will eat the miller moths and the grasshoppers. And they have the little duck pond out there to play in. So I've created an environment with the help of my plants where now I also have help with some bugs that could cause me some big problems. I love this, the red-winged blackbird. That's brand new, and the pair of them were just here. They just flew away. So this is what I'm talking about in the classes, of recreating a supportive environment so that your work and the natural processes come together. And this is what living in nature is about, rather than fighting it, spraying it, digging it, manipulating it to a very odd degree sometimes. So cool, this is such a great day, and hopefully we'll get some more rain. Thanks for joining me.